There are two ways to make your content last on YouTube. If you want to keep getting views, if you want to continue getting views with your posts, then the first thing you have to do is always create evergreen content. Create evergreen content. What do I mean by evergreen content? Content that will last on YouTube. Content that people will keep visiting. Content that is value packed. Content that contains so much value that people find a lot of value inside and they keep getting on it, they keep watching it, they keep searching on the searching the content, or anytime someone stumbles on your channel, the person will be like, okay, the person will always stop by to watch the videos. These are ever valued content that contains so much value, like what is useful to people, content that contains something that is useful, very useful to people. That's evergreen content. Then secondly, content that answers the question what, who, why, how. So if you can create all this kind of content, people will always search for how to do this, how to do that, what is this, what is that. So these are the kind of content that you need to create so that it will last. And whenever people get to the search bar and type how to do this, your channel will pop up, your content will pop up. What is this? Your channel will pop up. So then, thirdly, make sure that you use good thumbnails. Design your thumbnails as much as you can so that the attraction of your thumbnail can equally draw people to your video. So that your thumbnail is very important, because when people are searching on the search bar, it is not only your video that pops up. There are many videos, but sometimes it is the one that eye catches. That's the one that they watch. So you have to invest in your thumbnails, and then so that when your content is on the search bar, then definitely people will always stop by. That's why you see some videos when they post it today, it will keep getting views, even 5-10 years to come, it's still getting views. Why? Because it's packed with so much value. It answers the question how, answers the question what, and so on and so forth. So try to invest on your thumbnails and also create evergreen content. And so that's it. See you in the next video.